10x growth. What a absolute magic. I'm glad to announce that we are blooming from 50 scholars to 525 scholars in 3 years. This is possible only because of the great support extended by our Kotak Kanyas, a perfect organic growth that we were looking for. This could have not been possible without their support. But what do you think have motivated them? Let's hear from them.
Receiving the Kotak Kanya scholarship was a life-changing experience for me. It allowed me to focus on my studies without a financial worry. It also provides valuable sessions on soft and hard skills.
I'm a proud Kotak Kanya scholar and I'm honored to be student ambassador as I inform and familiarize my juniors to this scholarship, which has opened so many doors of opportunities and introduced me to so many amazing Kotak Kanyas from all over India.
And I am a grateful Kotak Kanya scholar as well. I have received not just scholarships but many mentoring sessions and career guidance from Kotak Kanya. My mentors used to strive very hard to spread awareness about this scholarship so that even other Kanyas of all across the nation can avail themselves of this wonderful opportunity.
Imagine a symphony where different instruments play its part to contribute to the beautiful music piece. Similarly, collaboration brings out different individuals with different expertise and strength that contributes to the common goal. We have visited many top NRF institutes like IIT, NIT, VIT, NLUs, AIMS and many more. The deans, the directors were extremely welcoming. They have helped us in shaping our scholarship. With their support, we were able to reach out to many other Kanyas. They have helped us with the information like entrance exam cutoff marks, the admission criteria and many other admission details. With their support, we were able to reach out to other deans from the same domain. They have not only supported us but also helped us in reaching out to many Kanyas from their campus. Networking is not just exchanging the business cards or following on social media. It's about cultivating a meaningful relationship and the connections that will provide guidance, support and opportunities.
कोटक समूह की इस महत्वाकांक्षी परियोजना जो चलाई जा रही है, ये कोटक एजुकेशन फाउंडेशन के अंतर्गत कोटक कन्या स्कॉलरशिप योजना चलाई जा रही है। सभी छात्राओं को जो चयनित हैं उनको मेंटरशिप प्रदान की जाती है, उनके इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन स्किल को इम्प्रूव किया जाता है, उनको एकेडमिक सपोर्ट दिया जाता है और उनके पूरे होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट पे पूरा ध्यान रखा जाता है। कोटक समूह के CSR के अंतर्गत संचालित इस कोटक कन्या स्कॉलरशिप योजना के लिए कोटक समूह को मैं हृदय से बधाई देता हूं। उनके इस प्रयास की मैं भूरी भूरी प्रशंसा करता हूं, क्योंकि उनके इस प्रयास से हमारे समाज में नारी सशक्तिकरण को बढ़ावा मिलेगा, साथ ही इन गरीब और वंचित वर्ग की छात्राओं को अपने सपनों को पूरा करने में मदद मिलेगी।
On behalf of Nalsar University of Law, I take this opportunity to thank Kotak Education Foundation for providing scholarship to 5 of our students. I am very happy and thankful to the Kotak Education Foundation for providing this scholarship, as this is helpful to the girl students coming from marginalized sections of the society.
I'm immensely thankful to Kotak Kanya Foundation for providing such a very good scholarship for financially very stressed students, especially girls, just being a BTech student, to do much more better in their studies, as well as they will also understand the societal importance of being supported. So the support at the right time is very important for anybody.
Today, looking back, we have started with just 50 Kanyas from 35 institutes in 2021. But today, we are a family of 525 scholars from 122 institutes. The perfect organic growth that we were looking for. I could see in next 5 years, the Kotak Kanya family will be growing with the exponential numbers.